Hey everyone, it's Mike's. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be looking at some products here from Clyde. We've got the Odor Eliminator and we've got the cleaning kit. So Clyde is one of the premier shoe cleaning companies here in the Philippines. They're similar to Jason Mark, Crep Protect, Rejuvenator, all those popular companies in the US. So let's see if the Philippine products hold up. Okay, first we're going to be taking a look at the Clyde Odor Eliminator, and I got this for 425 pesos from Shopee. So it's in this white box with Clyde branding. Their website and socials can be found here. So we see the Clyde Odor Eliminator here, and this is good for your trainers, gloves, gym bags, sports pads, and headgear. So there's 250 ml here. So a lot of juice for us to use for the Odor Eliminator. We'll see how it goes later. And the ingredients, we've got the ionized water odor absorber, disinfectant, scent retainer, tea tree essential oil, lemon essential oil, petit grain essential oil, and lavender essential oil. So you get the picture, it's a lot of essential oils. So this is formulated to eliminate odor caused by sweat. So we'll shake well and we'll test this out later. Okay, next we're going to be taking a look at the Clyde cleaning kit. So I got this for 800 pesos, also from Shopee. And you see it's in this packaging here. So let's take a look at what's inside. So it looks like we've got 250 ml of the shoe cleaner and conditioner with jojoba oil. We'll test this out later. And it looks like we've got 2 sets of brushes. We've got the soft bristle brush here for the uppers, and we've got the hard bristle brush in white. So it's got the Clyde branding here, so that looks pretty good. And we also have a microfiber cleaning towel with the Clyde branding here on the side. So all of this for 800 pesos, I think that might be worth it. But we'll still have to test out these products and we'll see how it goes. Okay, so we're gonna test these products right now. So we've got the shoe cleaner and conditioner, and we've got the odor eliminator. So we've got one shoe here, a pair of my old Adidas Stan Smiths. As you can see, they're pretty dirty, but we'll see if the products actually work out. So we're gonna need a place for water. We've got our 2 brushes here, and we've got the microfiber cleaning cloth. So we're gonna take the shoe cleaner and conditioner. We're gonna be putting 4 or 5 drops, and then we'll dip it a bit in water. Make sure it gets the water there, and then we'll start to clean the upper of the shoe. Use the soft bristle brush here, or the horsehair brush. As you can see, it's bubbling up really nicely. We're just going to be using this for the upper. More water. As you can see, the sole is actually already pretty yellow, so there's not much I can do there, but we'll just try to clean it as well using the hard bristle brush. So after we've got the upper portion here, the smell of the jojoba oil is pretty nice. Okay. Next, we're going to be cleaning the soles here. We'll be using the hard bristle brush. We'll put a few more drops here. And then we'll be applying some water. And then we're going to be cleaning the side here. So you want to put the appropriate amount of force so that it gets out the dirt real nicely. We're just gonna clean the sides and not really hit on the outsole here. We'll see how that cleans up. And then I think we've got enough to clean this shoe. So let's grab some water and then just here. And then I think we can proceed with the microfiber cloth. Let's start with the upper. Clean that nice here. And then we'll go with the outsole. So, notwithstanding the laces, which are pretty dirty, I think it cleaned up the dust really nicely from the sneaker upper. And then we'll just test out the odor eliminator and apply a few sprays here and see how it smells. The shoe doesn't smell too bad, but let's see how the sprayer will work. So that's about 4 sprays or so. It smells pretty good, so we'll put this to the side and we'll wait a couple of minutes and see how it'll go after. So after a bit more cleaning off camera, let's take a look at the results. So as you can see here, the upper is pretty clean on the Stan Smith here, and I think as well as the midsole, it's also pretty clean. So I think the odor eliminator and the shoe cleaner kit did a good job. Let me take a whiff of this shoe. Yep, smells pretty good with all the essential oils there. So that's the right shoe, and just a quick glance at the left shoe, and it's also pretty clean. Well, as clean as you can get it. Now, would I recommend the odor eliminator and the cleaning kit from Clyde? Yes. The price that you're paying for these products, which is 425 pesos or roughly around $8 for the odor eliminator, and around 800 pesos or $16 for the cleaning kit, I think it's worth it because it's affordable and it gets the job done. So it's good for you to invest if you're a sneakerhead or you're into sneakers. If you invest into sneaker cleaning products that actually work, they make your shoes last longer and they make them look fresh. So that's the positive that I have. They're affordable and they get the job done. The only cons that I do have is that the odor eliminator, the sprayer on this thing isn't actually the best, and it actually comes off. So I think Clyde can improve on that. And the only knock I have on the cleaning kit is that when I was cleaning and then I applied some force, some of the bristles on this soft bristle brush actually came off. So that was something to note. So if you use a lot of force, that might take away some of the bristles in the long run. So that's the only negative I have. But aside from that, I think that these products are well worth a recommendation, especially that they're from a local company here in the Philippines, and I would give them a huge thumbs up. So there you have it. That was my review and unboxing on these Clyde products here. You can get these products on Shopee, Lazada, and other nationwide stores. I'll be posting the links in the description below. And please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for future uploads. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!